Hey guys, welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today, I'm gonna share with you another part of this turbo strategy, the best strategy if you are a total beginner for binary options. If you are searching a good way to make money with binary options, I can tell you this is the best strategy for beginners and for those are searching a good way to generate profits with binary options. So for this strategy, I'm gonna show you how to follow the simple steps, follow these simple trends, and using the simple moving average, exponential moving average, to earn money, to generate profits, to predict the direction of the few candles and trade only in 1 minute. The rules are simple. We are gonna see the chart in 1 minute. We are gonna trade in 1 minute, and we are gonna trade only follow the trend. If you see another type of signal that I take it, not follow the trend, this is a risk that I decided to take it. But my advice is trade follow the trend. You're gonna see in this video how I taken these signals, follow the trend. Seeing the chart in 1 minute give me more opportunities to trade. For example, if crossing the moving average, I can trade in 1 minute. The next candle can be another good trade, and the next candle can be another good trade. And maybe maximum 4 candles can be a good trade. So that means in 4 minutes you can generate or double your account with this turbo strategy for binary options. The 1 minute turbo strategy for binary options is gonna help you to earn money to $1,000 in 4 minutes. And this video I'm gonna show you how you can do that, and I really hope so you can use this strategy to generate profits for you. I gotta leave it with this speedy video and wish me good luck. Okay, guys, I just ended this live trading session right now, and you see a few trades that I taken follow the trend. The call signals was follow the trend. The 200 moving average is below the charts, and I decided to take it for a call for 3 around. So this means this strategy is so writable. I had one out the money, but I have a good profit today. So it's possible to generate $1,000 or more in 4 minutes. You see it right now with this turbo strategy. Of course, it's gonna depend how much money you have in your balance. This is obvious, but trust me, you can double your account with this turbo strategy for binary options. So I really hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave your comments below of this video, and see you in the next wave.